Welcome to the Computer Science Learn. Now we are going to discuss about how to install Python on your computer. Python is an easy to learn, powerful programming language. It has efficient, high-level data structures and a simple but effective approaches to object-oriented programming language. Python's elegant syntax and dynamic typing, together with its interpreted nature, make it an ideal language for scripting and rapid application development in many areas on most platforms. The Python interpreter and the extensive standard library are freely available in source or binary form for all major platforms from the Python website python.org and maybe freely it's maybe freely distributed. The same site also contains distribution of and pointers to many free third-party product models, programs and tools and additional documentation. If you want to install Python on your device, go to python.org. It leads to you the Python's official web page. So here you see the downloads and go to the latest version. So right now in a 2024 3.12.2, so this version is available. Okay, once you click it, it will download on your device. Okay, I already downloaded. So after you download it, you can install it just like all kind of softwares. So after you download the file, okay, double click the file, you can see this interface. So install now. Okay, press the install now here, and just like other softwares, the Python will install on your device. The Python module, it's installed. Here you see the IDLE and Python here. So now you can get start your Python. Okay, so in my suggestion, okay, don't use it. In my suggestion, go to the IDLE, and so this is a interface. So this is a better view than the command prompt of Python. So print. Okay, this is it. So and another one usual thing, so this is inbuilt IDLE shell script for to learn or to execute Python codes. But another one IDE which is very popular, that is what, go to the Anaconda. So here download this IDE. Okay, download Anaconda. Download this IDE. So so if you are a Windows user or Mac user or Linux user, go to here and download it. So this is It's very convenient integrated development environment for Python developers. Okay, so within this IDE you can figure out the Jupyter notebooks, so which is a very convenient application for Python. Okay, here, so just like the same, so you see the shells in a split one by one. Print. Okay, sorry, control enter. So now, so this is it. In the coming videos we will going to learn about deeply one by one topics of Python.